Hey, welcome back to our garden. So today we'll be drawing a tender coconut. So grab your paper and let's get started. So first we'll start by drawing a kind of like an oval over here. Yep, like so. And then duplicating it a little bigger right over there. You could make it a more sketchy if you need it. And then go along the one you need, like this thing that's perfect. Now from here you go over and like so, and from here we'll go over and join it, then draw 3 circles like so, and then draw some lines like this for the details. Now we'll go over and outline this. So and you get it like so. Now you can erase those pencil marks once you ink it. So, and now we'll jump on to coloring this. So first we'll take this brown color and color every place, like we take inside this and this. So let's start it. And that's pretty much it. The rest, the tinted coconut. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like the content, please hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, please hit the like button too, and leave your suggestions in the comment section. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.